Welcome back to Future News. As always, an article linked to this miniature mechanistic marvel can be found in the description below. Now then, picture a honeybee buzzing through a field, except this bee is following invisible commands from a human miles away. It's not science fiction. This is a cyborg bee, part insect, part machine. Scientists in Beijing guide bees by tapping into their brains, blending nature with technology. Bees navigate tight spaces where drones can't go. With a tiny controller, researchers steer the bee's path. The result is a partnership, natural agility, enhanced by human direction. Imagine disaster zones, collapsed buildings, places too dangerous for people. A cyborg bee could slip through cracks, searching for survivors. Or in covert operations, a bee could gather intelligence, unnoticed. This research opens a new frontier, where insects meet technology. The familiar buzz of a bee may soon carry messages of hope or secrets. The journey into the insect mind is just beginning, but the possibilities are immense. Nature and technology are joining forces in ways we never thought possible. The cyborg bee is a glimpse into a future where we work alongside the smallest creatures to solve our biggest challenges. It's a blend of wonder and unease, a new kind of buzz in the world. The humble bee, now a pioneer at the edge of science. This is not just about control, it's about partnership. The world of insects is opening up to us, one tiny wingbeat at a time. The cyborg bee is a symbol of what happens when we listen to nature and learn to speak its language. The adventure is only beginning. Creating a cyborg bee is a feat of microengineering. Scientists at the Beijing Institute of Technology have built a controller lighter than a grain of rice, worn like a backpack by the bee. This device connects directly to the bee's brain using 3 microscopic needles, sending tiny pulses that guide its flight. Each pulse mimics the bee's natural signals: turn left, fly forward, allowing precise control. In tests, bees follow commands with remarkable accuracy, navigating obstacles and following planned routes. The bee remains a living pilot, but its mission is now guided by human intent. This partnership transforms the bee into a bio-robot, nature's flight, steered by technology. The controller doesn't override every instinct, it gently steers the bee's larger movements. The result is a living drone, able to go where machines can't. It's a delicate balance. Biology provides the platform, technology, the navigation. The cyborg bee is more than an experiment. It's a new kind of tool for exploration and rescue. This is the future of robotics, not just building machines, but teaming up with nature's own designs. The possibilities are just beginning to unfold. Cyborg bees could revolutionize rescue and intelligence missions. In disaster zones, they can slip through rubble, equipped with sensors to find survivors where humans and robots can't reach. On the battlefield, a bee is the perfect spy, silent, agile, and invisible among flowers. It can carry a tiny camera or microphone, relaying real-time intelligence without drawing attention. Unlike mechanical drones, bees are masters of flight, able to adapt to wind and complex environments. Their natural camouflage and ability to refuel on nectar give them endurance machines can't match. A bee can blend in, rest, and continue its mission, making it the ultimate covert agent. Nature's design gives the cyborg bee advantages we can't replicate with metal and wires. This is a case where evolution outpaces invention. By working with nature, we unlock new ways to solve problems. The cyborg bee is proof that sometimes the best technology is already alive. It's a partnership that could change how we explore, rescue, and protect. Bees are nature's original drones, light, strong, and incredibly efficient. Their wings beat hundreds of times per second, giving them unmatched maneuverability. Scientists have tried cyborg cockroaches and even singing cicadas, but bees are the ultimate flying machine. The biggest challenge? Power. Right now, cyborg bees need an external power source. Batteries are too heavy for them to carry. Solving this could unlock true autonomy, tiny agents flying free, untethered. Researchers are exploring lighter batteries and even ways to harvest energy from the bee itself. Until then, the dream of a fully independent cyborg bee remains just out of reach. It's a classic engineering puzzle: how to power a living machine without weighing it down. The answer could change the future of robotics and surveillance. The future of cyborg bees is full of promise and questions. Scientists aim to add sensors and refine control, turning bees into advanced data-gathering tools. The same principles could apply to dragonflies, beetles, or entire swarms, revolutionizing fields from agriculture to environmental science. But with power comes responsibility. What are the ethics of controlling living creatures? As this technology grows, we must set boundaries and use it wisely. For now, the cyborg bee is a symbol of ingenuity, a reminder that the most advanced tech may have wings, not wheels. The quiet buzz in the garden now carries a new note of possibility. The story of the cyborg bee is just beginning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.